Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today's video, we're talking about Uber's new bonus structure that they have recently launched for drivers, which we're gonna take a look at. Please thumbs up the video. It does help out tremendously. And also, I did want to thank our sponsor, Play Octopus, which is a company that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. When you use our link below, you can make an extra $100 per month. I have the tablet right here. You can see basically what happens is passengers get in, they play games, and they run ads in between the games. And you as a driver make money, and the passengers don't even need to play the games. You still make money just for having this tablet thing sit in your car. Extra $100 a month, not bad, right? Pays for your gas for, I don't know, a few days or a week, depending on how much you're driving. So check out Play Octopus below. Use our link, Rideshare Hub code. Get signed up, get that tablet. And I believe they are now nationwide since they just got bought out by T-Mobile. I believe they're currently expanded. So if you try to sign up for Play Octopus in the past, go check and see if they're live in your area. I'm not guaranteed, but I think they might be now. So go check it out. All right, so Uber has just sent out this to me. Make $100 when you complete 5 trips in your city. Offer expires soon. We have a few different bonus structures that we're getting into. Uber, you can make extra money with this promotion, but hurry, offer expires soon. We're offering a promotion that may help you earn more if you choose to drive before the offer expires. This is a Quest. Quest bonuses, 8/11 at 4 a.m. to 8/23. So within 12 days, if you do 5 trips, an extra $100. That's $20 bonus per ride. So I am interested to see, if I do 5 trips, and then, it's $20 extra per ride. What if I do 10 trips, 20 trips, 30 trips? 30 trips, my friends, that would be $600. And also, we have an update with drivers in our Facebook group talking about Quest as well. So, beyond for us, wow, this guy just called Lyft called Thrift. That's kind of funny, actually. But look at this. These Quest bonuses, my friends, look at this. So basically, they're rearranging the Quest bonuses. So it says now you got to sign up for Quest Boosts, for Boost Quest. So if you don't sign up, you're not getting that money anymore. Where with Lyft, you just do the rides and you get the money, right? They have a goal. But this one, you got to choose the Quest and you got to show up to the designated area between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And if you don't, you're not getting that bonus, guys. So make sure you check the details, because you could be out driving, doing all these rides, thinking you're going to get all this money, but in reality, you didn't show up to the area on the map between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. on on that certain day. And yeah, you have to accept the request before 7 p.m. So you have to be in these selected zones. So they're getting really specific. Honestly, it kind of sounds like a pay cut in a weird way. They're making it more difficult for drivers to get the request. So anyways, let me know your thoughts on this one. And again, sign up for Play Octopus with our link below. They're gonna send you a free tablet when you use our link. It's really cool. You can get this, and you get your little driver profile here. You get these little Pac-Man games your passengers can play, and they get chances to win cash prizes, a $25 gift card. So they're incentivized to play. You make money, but even if they don't play the games, you still make money, right? They don't need to be playing the games. Just put it in there, get your free tablet, and they should be nationwide now. So check your area to see if you can get it for free. Otherwise, I think every driver should do it, because who doesn't need an extra $100? We all doing this for money. Sign up for Play Octopus, start making extra money. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.